I got some decal kit for the 400 coming today. I think I can leave this one on here. That's gonna come off. Take my American flags off. I'm not gonna be able to save those as much as I want to, just because it's pretty thin. But let's see how she looks when we're done. All right, so we got the kit in today. It's Senge graphics. I don't know how to say that, but we'll see how this goes. All right, I got half done. I need a trim piece up here, but I don't think this is gonna fit. I don't know what the deal is with that, but I'd like to have, you know, that piece right there. But I did not get that in this kit. I'll have to email them, see if they can send that to me or what the deal is. Everything was all right, it wasn't too bad. These stickers are pretty thick. This I don't really care for. I don't know what that is about. I mean, they could have made that come down over to there, but I don't know. There's half of it. They don't make a part that goes down there, but those are cut anyway. Previous owner cut those off because he didn't like them. But that's about one side done. One more to go. The back one there, that was pretty tough. These pieces were easy. It wasn't too bad, except this little crease right here. It's kind of hard to work it in there. All right, so early in the video I was saying that I never got this decal on the kit. I did contact them on Thursday via email. They said that they would send it out on Friday. I did hear back from them on Friday. Great customer service. You know, he didn't raise a fuss, argue with you or anything. He just said that they would get it out to me. So this is what came today. I don't know why it wasn't in the package. I don't know if it's a separate item or what. I'm guessing it's not, because it kind of looks silly without that. And then I did have those decals that I thought went right here. That would have been this decal here, and I was waiting to put those on. I figured those went right there. Then I was gonna wait to put this on to make sure it lined up, but come to find out that this actually goes right there to cover the Suzuki logo. So I think I'm just gonna leave those off because sticker's fine there. It kind of gives you an idea of what brand the bike is. So I'm just gonna leave those off. interesting. I would say that relief cut that I made up there helped, just due to the fact that that side over here has got to come down more. So as you heat it up, it starts to work its way in there, and seems all right. I mean, they got their little issues with the decals not being all the way down, but I mean, for the most part, it looks good. I can't complain. That was definitely not the easiest part of the bike, but and you can see that little relief cut I made right there just to help, because I mean, it's such a big sticker trying to get all that worked over. But I gotta cut out the keyhole and stick that back in there, and yeah, I mean, I think they could have done a little bit better job with their, you know, with their little odds and ends, but I mean, I guess if you did that, then they'd probably charge you $300, $400, $500 for the decal set, or you just spend the extra money and go get it wrapped. But I mean, looks good though. So basically it'll be that or that. I mean, it kind of does complete the graphic there, but I don't know. I kind of like it just like that. But leave a comment in the comment section and go from there. But here's the bike as it all is done. As far as these go, about them not being lined up, you can see right there where that decal doesn't line up with that one. I think I made the mistake of putting this one on first. So I think this one should be all the way to the edge of the fender, kind of like this one is here. So you guys can learn from my mistake. I'm just gonna go ahead and leave it, because I'm afraid if I try to pull that off, it's just not gonna re-stick again. So it doesn't look horrible. I can live with it, but definitely put this one on first, because you know that goes there, because it's got the cutout for the bolt, and then work your way up the bike. I jumped the gun, I put that one on first, and then I did that one. So I really wasn't aware of that, didn't even think of that. I was just kind of concerned that with all these angles here, that this wasn't gonna, you know, fold over nice there, and it just didn't look like it was cut right. I mean, I think they could have just done it like that and cut it down there, just how it is there, and then, you know, lined up the decal to that. But unfortunately, there's no videos on it, so it's kind of just trial and error. So my error, you know, save you the aggravation of making the same mistake. All right, just to recap, really went pretty good. Yeah, definitely do this bottom one before you do that one. That way you can make sure you get this one in the right spot. So I think this one's supposed to go over the edge of the fender, which I don't know, I'm not too keen on, because it's just gonna start peeling up, I have a feeling, down the road, but looks all right for now. And then I did cut this one, I put a relief cut right there. It was just so hard to get this smoothed over, and then as this gets smoothed over, this changes. You know, this wants to start coming this way, that one wants to start coming that way. So I figured if I cut it there, right there, then I can get this side down, manipulate it. The heat gun definitely helped out. It made it real pliable, so you can kind of stretch it a little bit more. But all's well, ends well. I did cut that there just to make it look a little bit better. Overall, I'm definitely happy with them.
Give me